Mom and Dad are away for 1 week, and they gave me $1,000. Now only Ben and I are home, so what food should I buy? Fried chicken wings. Or spaghetti? Oh my God! What was that sound? Who is in the kitchen? Huh? Nobody is here. Only this plastic cup is on the floor. Oh, it was just the cup falling down. Wait. My plate was full, but now it is empty. Oh no, my cookies are all gone. Ah! Ben, did you eat all my cookies? Wow. Hey, Lena, I do not know what happened. Look! I left my cookies here, but now they are all gone. Oh no! I was in the bathroom all this time. Ben, only you and I are in this house. If it was not you, then who was it? I am telling the truth. I did not eat them. Ben, I know you ate my food. Just say it, and I will forgive you. I told you, I did not do it. Ugh, Lena is so annoying. She always blames me. I want some water. Huh? Why is the TV remote here? Hey, Lena, why is the remote in the kitchen? What? I left it on the table. Oh, come on. Did it fly here? No, I am telling the truth. You always blame me, and now you cannot admit it. Huh? Why is my sock here? Ben, what happened now? Look, I just left this sock on my bed. I only went to the bathroom, so why is it here? Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Ben, do you feel something weird now? Haha, come on. It is just by chance. La la la. I will cook yummy noodles now. I have sausages. Now I need the pot. Oh no! Where are my sausages? Ah! Come here now! Sis, what happened? Look! The sausages were here, but now they are gone. Oh my God! This is really scary. Sis, I think someone is in this house. Come on, sis. Let us check the house now. The door is closed, not open. Huh? All the windows are closed, too. This is so scary. Nobody came inside. Oh my God. Maybe the thief was already hiding here. Ben. Should we call Mom and Dad? Do not worry, sis. We locked all the doors. I will protect you tonight. Look. I even have this pan. Okay. I hope we are safe. I cannot sleep. Oh my God! I am so scared now. Huh? Ben, you said you would protect me. Oh no, something is moving on the roof. Ben, I hear weird sounds. I'm scared. Something is on the roof. should call Mom and Dad now. Maybe we should call the police too. Okay. Maybe we should calm down first. If there is really a thief, maybe he will run away before the police come. Mom and Dad trusted us to stay home alone. If we call them now, they will think we cannot do this. Come on, sis. We are not babies anymore. Oh, I still feel really scared. Sis, we can check upstairs first. If we really see someone, we will call the police right away. Okay, that sounds better. Come on, sis. Stay close to me. Oh no, I really do not want to go up there. Come on, sis. Be brave, not scared. Oh my God, we need to call the police right now. If you are scared, you can go back to the room. I will check upstairs by myself. Oh, okay. I will go with you. Let us go! Hey! Give up now, thief! Huh? There is nobody here. Wait, what is going on? The thief is here! Oh my God! What was that? Watch out! Where did it go? Oh my God! We thought it was ugly, but it is a cute little cat. Look, our things are all here. They are. Everything is here. Maybe this is a stray cat. It was very hungry, so it came into our house. Then let us feed it. Maybe it will stop now. I will get more sausages for the cat. Here you go, little cat. Meow. Ha. Now everything is okay. Finally, we can sleep now. Not again. Oh, man. This cat is so bad. Maybe the cat will still make a mess, even if we give it all our sausages. Are you ready? Let's start the lesson. The first opposite words are full and empty. Full means holding or containing as much as possible. There is no more space inside. Empty means containing nothing. There is no food, water, or anything inside. Example: the toy box on the left looks full, but the toy box on the right looks empty. The next opposite words are close and open. Close means to move something so that an opening is covered. Open means to move something so that a space is not closed. It lets people or things go inside or outside. Example: the book on the left is open, but the book on the right is closed. The next opposite words are brave and scared. Brave means not being afraid of danger or difficult things. You can do it even when you feel scared. Scared means you feel afraid. You want to cry or hide. Example: the boy on the left is brave, but the boy on the right is scared. The last opposite words are ugly and cute. Ugly means not nice to look at. When you see it, you do not like it. Cute means something is pretty and nice, like a baby or a small animal. The doll on the left looks cute, but the teddy bear on the right looks ugly. Full is the opposite of empty. Close is the opposite of open. Brave is the opposite of scared. And cute is the opposite of ugly. Today's lesson is finished. How many words do you remember? Do not forget to learn every day. Oh my God, Lena's body is so hot. Do you have a fever? I am so tired. Ah, Lena, what is wrong with you? Ah, Lena, what is wrong with you? Everyone, why did Lena faint? Please watch the next episode. Let's like, share, and subscribe to see more fun videos. Bye-bye.